What is up, guys? Welcome on back to another Copart walk around. Today I am out here in the beautiful town of Las Vegas at Copart here in Las Vegas. We're going to take a look at some of the awesome vehicles that are available for sale out here, and then we're going to jump into the live auction and see what some of these things are going for. But without further ado, let's just jump into it. I think it is, but I'll look. Piqued my interest. I'll look at it. I know it's not what I think it is, though. Whew, that Duramax is, say it with me, toasty. 48,000 miles. Maybe this is what I think it is. No, it's not. It's just a C300. Just has an appearance package on it. Now I know y'all probably mad because I didn't show you that C300, but it's just, doesn't really interest me. Now this interests me. I love these Ford Excursions, and finding these with the 7.3 liter diesel are getting harder and harder to find. Now with this damage in the rear, man, look, what do they say? Who is the dude that everybody brings their stuff to on YouTube to fix frame stuff? V-tuned? Yeah. This could go to V-tuned. We'll just pull that out, you know, fix the body, however we need to do it. Because the 7.3, man, the 7.3 Excursions are even more and more rare. Only 228,000 miles on it. This motor has a lot of life left, I promise you. I got some gauges up here. Let's see if she's got any power. Probably not, but I'll give her a shot. Look at that. Oh, it's got a Viper alarm system too. Damn. This thing is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Sad. And it's only here. It's only totaled because of that. I mean, duh. It's only totaled because of duh. Yeah, I know. It's only totaled because of the back being smashed back here. But this right here is kind of cool, man. I don't think this is beyond repair, but let me know what you guys think. What else we can find? Got a 2020 Z71 Trail Boss Chevy Silverado here. 13,296 miles on the clock, and it looks like somebody kicked him in another word that rhymes with that. Wow, he hit a pole. I'm guessing probably drunk, or cheating on your girl and she grabbed the steering wheel, or I don't know. You guys guess and let me know in the comments. Yeah, damn. Sorry. This Defender, I guess, couldn't defend itself. Holy crap. Damn. Damn, Gina. Oof. Oof. All right, back to the Z71, because damn, I sincerely doubt it runs. Oh, it's got power. Oh, okay, I have to see now. I have to see. No, here's the other thing too, right? You know what? Let me get out, because I'll hit the damn start button and the damn airbag will friggin' deploy. But the fact that it was hit that far hard in the front and no airbags deployed, oof. All right. Oh, it runs fine. It legit runs just fine. Wait a minute. That damage is serious though, right? The engine compartment actually looks good. Damn. That looks a lot worse than what it is, I guess. Let's check the coolant temps and all that stuff. See if we get any check engine lights. All right, let's see if the AC works, then I know it's got oil pressure. Looks good. I don't see a coolant light. There is a check engine light. Let's point this down to low. AC. Whew. Yeah, the AC blows, boy. Look at that. I was able to get my hat nice and cold, cool my phones down. Y'all can probably hear that wind blowing right in the damn microphone. But overall, it actually runs good, even with the front end damage. Trailer brake, interior looks clean. This is not a bad truck for the money, I don't think. Bose sound system, this is a nice truck. I mean, you can fix that front end, sunroof and everything. You could have a really decent truck for the low, man. Huh. Well, let me know what you guys think about this one in the comments. I found this one to be very, very, very weird. To see that kind of front end damage and it just runs fine, goes into gear, the whole nine, like, wow. All right, so my members just got early access to the Bentley video, which you guys will probably see later today for everybody else. Had to get that members access up. I'm gonna keep moving. I see something very interesting down the way. Now I know you guys will probably be like, TK, what's up with that Charger? It's a V6, man. I don't know what's in it. Got Amazon van back there. Ooh, that Denali is toasted, but it's only on the outside. Look at this Duramax. Like the headlight. Tell me that's not cool. All right, tell me this is not cool. Look at this headlight. Look how it's all melted. But the headlight's fine. Like it was just parked next to a fire. And this Duramax is right here. Like the rim is melted around certain parts. The tire, right? Fire damaged. But the body, I bet you could sand a lot of this down and paint it. Look, the mirror's melted. It was just parked to next to something that was on fire. The truck itself is probably fine. Let's look and see if she's got keys. I wonder if she runs. That would be very interesting to me. 211,000 miles. Wow, y'all were driving the absolute crap out of this, huh? She's got keys. She's got power. Does it smell like fire in here, though? No. Look, it's literally cool. It don't even smell. I mean, not that you can smell anything, but all right, let's see if she starts up. 211,000 miles on it. It's a Denali, too. Hell yeah. Fired right up. Look at this, man. And everybody's gonna tune into this video for the NSX, but bump that. Let me see if the AC works, because you know it's hot as balls out here. Yeah, man. Look, man, you can't even tell. It's literally cosmetic on the outside, man. The interior is butter. Butter. The interior is butter, man. Oh, yeah. There's no question. I don't smell the fire, the plastic smell, you know, the burnt stuff. It does have a check engine light. That's a little concerning. But she's got 200,000 miles on it, so. Steering seems fine. Does she go into gear? Yep. Yep. Oh, she got backup camera? Yeah. Man, this thing runs like a champ. Wow. See, this is one of those, what I like to call hidden gems at Copart. This is one of them cars or trucks that you could find that you really just got to do some body work to it, and you could roll out with this joint. You could drive the shit out of it. Digital gauges, the whole nine. Man, this right here, man. This right here is the move. Oh. Listen to that diesel, man. God. All right, this one right here. Yeah, this one does it for me right here. This one does it for me for sure. I like this one a lot. All right, guys, I let this thing idle and get up to temperature. She ran like a champ. Not running everything mechanically on this thing sounds great. Runs good, goes into gear, does everything it's supposed to do. This is the definition of finding something dirt cheap at Copart. Like this Duramax is not, this Denali is absolutely not going to go for a lot of money because it's listed as a burn. And like I said, the burn and stuff is really cosmetic. You know, grill, paint this, paint that, paint this, new headlight, new plastics, you know, whatever, tire. Like you could definitely put this thing back together, I think. If you think I'm wrong, let me know and tell me why in the comments below. But I think this could end up being not even just a nice work truck, it could just be a nice truck, period, putting it back together. Man, talk about finding some gems, man. There's a 3500 that's completely toasted. But you can find some gems out here, man. It's crazy the stuff you could find at Copart, man. It's just, you know, it's really, when they say you could pretty much find anything, you really can pretty much find anything out here. And it's kind of ridiculous. It's kind of funny. Let's see if we see anything else before we go ahead and jump into the live auction that's about to pop off. And you guys out here on the West Coast can get an idea of what some of these cars are going for. Now, I think this is hilarious. They got the Bentley. Yo, I can't do nothing but laugh, man. Why, man? I can't. I want to look at it and try to, I can't even make jokes. It's too funny. I'm done, man. I'm friggin' done. Yo, man. That's not even, you try to, that's not even up badging. That's a whole nother brand. All right, how about we wrap things up with a Tesla? I saw Goon Squad recently just got a Model X, right? Well, look at this. Tesla. It says hood stuck. Or does it say suck? Maybe it says suck. No, it says stuck. Hood stuck. All right, this one, 2016. Model X in blue. Window busted. Airbag deployed. 81,000 miles. She's dead because ain't nothing opening. That sucks. And I don't know if they're doing like the Model S's, if it has a salvage title. Tesla's been shutting them off from superchargers. Not the Model 3s as of yet, but I'm not sure about the Model X's either. So buying this, you know, it's a 90D too. You know, if it was going to be just a local driver and you put it back together, you'd probably be okay, you know, charging it at your house. But outside of that, no, miss me with all that. Nope. Huh. Well, kind of sucks. I kind of wanted to get something for y'all that was running to wrap it up, but we'll jump into the live auction and see what some of this stuff's going for. You know, we got videos coming here all week. All right, guys, that's going to do it for the live walk around portion of today's video. Now is the fun part. We're going to get into the auction portion, see what some of these cars are going for, so that you guys can get an idea of how much you would spend if you wanted to buy something from here. So without further ado, let's run ahead and go ahead and jump into it.
Bonus time. Sold on approval. New bidder. New bidder. This is a hot lot. New bidder. Bonus time. Hi,
So-
Ran up a check on the print, ran up a check on the print. She bustin' open like scenes.